Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Our latest vlog, patuloy po natin ang ating top 2 at top 1 sa ating vlog anniversary, road to anniversary. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mo mag-like, shares, comments, and views. Buti ng 500. I-support natin sa ating social media account ang ating latest vlog. 303. Episode 303. Wow! Title, Road to Vlog Anniversary. Part 3. Here's your vlog! Eto na. Malayan natin ano kaya mangyayari sa top 2. Next week pa yung top 1. Tingnan natin yung top 2. Eto na. Nakat hair na po. Short hair na. Yay! 2025 is a short hair. So look at this. Short hair. Miss May Mendoza atay din na ganyan yung tsura. Oh, looks like May Mendoza. And after haircut, may pakain. Courtesy of McDonald's na mushroom pepper steak na may rice with fries, orange juice, and sundae ice cream. Siyempre, knowing na. Galing bahay. And new hair, and new. Ito na siya. Okay, dahil ang top 2 po natin, which is recent vlog last week, sa 300 and episode 300 entitled Happy New Year na, Happy New Haircut pa, nung January 7 sa sa Northcrest, Caloocan. Ayan, ito yung itsura ko. Yeah. Ang gustong sisipin ko is May Mendoza. Ayan, maganda yung sisipin yan. Yan ang May Mendoza ng Northcrest, Caloocan. Ay, Bagumbong, Caloocan. At, padahalo kasi, May Mendoza na last year at Ice Guerra ng 2004. Yan, itsura na siya na yun. Thank you so much sa mga local governments from Northcrest, Caloocan, and Bagumbong community para sa haircut hair ka pa. Pero may bayad. And of course, plus, may libreng pagkain from McDonald's sa Primark de Paro. Pero wala pa rin sa SM City, Caloocan na yun. Pero wala pa. Yan, sa sa Primark de Paro, while waiting to announce. Ito, meron akong mushroom pepper steak, french fries, yan. At syempre, may sundae pa, tsaka orange juice. And for mommy naman, si Burger McDo naman. And of course, pauwi ng gabi. Yan, tapos na. Yan, bagong hair na yan, haircut na. May Mendoza. Ayan. And of course, tip ko lang for the year 2025. Kaya guys, namin last vlog yan. Yung dapat, ano pong iisipin yung style mo. Kung long, short, o yung may, parang may curly hair. Yan. And of course, tip number 2, pagsasabihin po yung mommy and daddy, gusto ko mag-cut hair ko, kailan kayo mag-cut hair, or kung kailan mayroon tayong bookings sa cut hair. Pero available. Pero mura lang yan. And of course, thank you so much sa mga departments sa kanila. Sana soon, matatrabaho ako this year. Kasi even magta-30s na ako sa December 19. Ayan. Yan po for our latest vlog. Number 2 or top 2, which is last vlog, 300. Sana mag-enjoy. See you next week for more. Kasi top 1 will be announced now. Next week pa yun. Salamat. Bye. God bless. Hope to see you next vlog.